Hi students, today we are going to discuss about highest common factor and least common multiply. 6th class third chapter. Now they discuss common factors. For example, 12 and 18. Factors of 12. 1 12 ja 12. 2 6 ja 12, 3 4 ja 12. Factors of 12 equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factors of 18. 1 18 ja 18. 2 9 ja 18, 3 6 ja 18. Factors of 18 equal 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Therefore, common factors of 12 and 18 equal factors of 12 and 18 common factors 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. Another example 20 and 24. Factors of 20. 1 20 ja 20, 2 10 ja 20, 4 5 ja 20. Factors of 20 equal 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Factors of 24. 1 24 ja 24, 2 12 ja 24, 3 8 ja 24, 4 6 ja 24. Factors of 24 equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Therefore, common factors of 20 and 28 equal factors of 20 and 24. Common factors 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Next topic, highest common factor. What is the highest common factor? The highest common factor of two or more given numbers is the highest or greatest of their common factors. It is also called as greatest common divisor. For example, 12 and 18. Factors of 12 equal 1 12 ja 2 6 ja 3 4 ja. Factors of 18 equal 1 18 ja 2 9 ja 3 6 ja. Therefore, common The highest common factors of 12 and 18 equal highest common factor is 6. Next, methods of finding SCF. First method is finding SCF by prime factorization method. Example, SCF of 12 and 30 and 36. Prime factorization of 12. 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3. Prime factorization of 12 equal 2 into 3. Prime factorization of 30. 2 15 ja 30, 3 5 ja 15, 5 1 ja 5. Prime factorization of 30 equal 2 into 3 into 5. Prime factorization of 36. 2 18 ja 36, 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. Prime factorization of 36 equal 2 into 3 into 3. Therefore, common factor of 12, 30, 36 equal 2 into 3. 2 3 the 6. The highest common factor of 12 and 30 and 36 equal 6. Second method is continued division method. For example, find the SCF of 32 and 40. Solution: divided large number by smaller number. 32 1 ja 32. 40 minus 32 equals 8. 8 4 ja 32. 32 minus 32 equals 0. Last divisor is 8. As remainder became 0. Therefore, SCF of 32 and 40 is 8. Next example, find the SCF of 40, 56, 60. First, find the SCF of any two numbers. Let us find the SCF of 40 and 56. Divided large number by smaller number. 41 ja 40. 56 minus 40 equal 16. 40. 16 2 ja 32. 40 minus 32 equal 8. 8 2 ja 16. 16 minus 16 equal 0. Remainder is 0. Last divisor is 8. Therefore, HCF of 40 and 56 equal 8. Then the HCF of third number and the HCF of first two numbers. Let us find the HCF of 8 and 60. Divided large number by smaller number. 8 7 ja 56. 60 minus 56 equal 4. 4 2 ja 8. 8 minus 8 equal 0. Remainder is 0. Last divisor is 4.